China's largest chipmaker SMIC on Thursday posted a 80% drop in third-quarter profit as global demand weakness hit foundries hard. Net income for the quarter ended September plunged 80% compared to a year ago, larger than the 64% drop posted in second quarter 2019, according to company figures. Here are SMIC's third-quarter results versus LSEG consensus estimates. SMIC, or Semiconductor Manufacturing International Company, posted revenue of $1.62 billion in the third quarter of the year, down 15% year-on-year. Net income for that period was $93.98 million, far below analysts' expectations of $165.1 million. SMIC is China's biggest foundry, manufacturing semiconductor chips that other firms design. The firm is seen as a key hope to Beijing's ambitions to boost its domestic semiconductor industry and catch up with rivals like Taiwan's TSMC and South Korea's Samsung, even as the U.S. continues to curb China's chipmaking technology and exports. In the China market, the high product inventory problem that started in the third quarter of last year has been mitigated and the inventory has decreased to a relatively healthy level, said SMIC in its earnings call Friday morning. But American and European customers' inventories, they will remain at historically high levels, said the company. An ongoing slump in demand for certain chips that go into consumer products, such as memory, has badly impacted SMIC, as well as the likes of its Asian rivals TSMC and Samsung. Consumers have been cutting back on purchases of consumer devices as inflation soared. As a result, smartphone and PC makers have been grappling with excess chip inventories and prices for memory chip prices fell. SMIC, which also manufactures automotive chips, said inventories for such chips are now in relatively high level after a short supply for 3 years, and this has caused major customers to tighten their orders. After more than 1 year's ups and downs in the market, customers have experienced the shift from aggressive expansion 2 years ago to defense this year, said SMIC. Growth investor is underweight the Magnificent Seven, but likes one tech GiantCiti is bullish about a part of the semiconductor sector. Names top stock picksTencent, Alibaba and more. These firms are primed for buybacks and present opportunities, says JefferiesWill the S&P 500 rally by year-end? Morgan Stanley's Slimmon weighs in and names a big tech stockData from the Semiconductor Industry Association said that global semiconductor sales for September increased 1.9% compared to a month ago, showing signs of a chip recovery. Globally, September sales fell 4.5% from a year ago. Global semiconductor sales increased on a month-to-month basis for the 7th consecutive time in September, reinforcing the positive momentum the chip market has experienced during the middle part of this year, said John Neuffer, President and CEO of the Semiconductor Industry Association.